Well, they do say Michigan is one of the best places to buy real estate. So, yesterday I posted a short 1 minute video about this house, and people were really eager to see me slow it down and give a little bit more detail. So, here we go. All right, as we enter this property located on the west side of Detroit, Michigan, it's a very quiet block, but it's an area of either renters or older homeowners, right? So this here is a brick bungalow. As you could see outside, is solid brick. And as we go in, it is like a handyman or investor special. However, as you can see, the kitchen is intact. It's in great condition. Newer countertop and cabinet. We just need a deep cleaning in here. That's it. All right, we need a deep cleaning in this house, and we need some fresh paint, and we need some new carpeting too. So someone asked about the steel on the windows. Of course, that's because we don't want squatters, right? So it is located in the inner city, and we want to protect the house until we find its new homeowner, right? So the bathroom, as you can see, is still in great condition. It just needs a deep cleaning and a paint job, fresh paint. So here's one of the bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 2. And so now that's another view of the living room. So right here is where the upstairs comes into play. A lot of the bungalows in Detroit, well, all the bungalows. A bungalow is when there are 2 bedrooms on the first floor and then a large bedroom on the upper second floor. So that's what this bedroom here is. And we could have stayed up there longer, but we had a lot of houses to visit, okay? But as you can see, though, now these walls are in great condition. The drywall is really intact. So, again, we just need a deep cleaning and a new family. There's a large eating area right outside of that kitchen. We're going to go take a look in the backyard now. So, as you can see, we had a pretty good winter here in Michigan. However, this was, I want to say, our second snow. So at the time of this recording, it is the end of, actually, it's February 2nd today. So, but yeah, the snow is melting a little bit. But as you can see, again, the house is solid, all brick from top to bottom. And it has glass block windows too in the basement. But look at this neighborhood. So it's not on a block with vacant houses. Contact Katina Willis at Next Level for. If you are an out-of-state investor, this is definitely an amazing deal for you to get. Let me know your questions in the comment section.